welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a Vostok Amphibia. This was sent in to me for a dial replacement, and it's a pretty interesting watch. I've never really torn into one before, so let's get it going. Today we're going to replace the dial and the handset on this one. We're going to go from this standard sort of matte black dial to a nice high gloss enameled green dial. And wait till you see the hands that the owner picked out. They are really nice. The case back is, I think, a really great design on these watches. So instead of having the entire case back screw down onto the rubber gasket, which will deform the gasket and shift it at the same time, potentially making an inferior seal. What this does is the case back sits down straight, and there's a ring that tightens down and compresses it to the case without the actual case back itself turning where it's meeting the gasket. Here you can see the large rubber gasket. This thing means business. With the rotor out of the way, you need to next remove two screws which are holding the movement holder in place. On the side of the movement, at about the 8 o'clock and 2 o'clock position, there are some very small screws that must be removed before the dial can be separated from movement. The new dial utilizes dial feet and drops right in. I installed the hands off camera, just checking the alignment now. Let's put her back together in reverse order. was actually a really fun project. Makes me want to branch out away from Seiko divers a little more often. Thanks for watching.